Watch it, watch it.
No.
No. Come on.
No. Sit. Sit. Haley, sit.
The helicopter.
Sit.
It's a landing pad.
Get it, girl. Oh, hello.
Good one.
You gotta be fucking kidding me.
You fucker.
Look at that shit. Come on, little guy, you can do it. Come on, buddy. Come on. You can do it.
He's fucked up in the tree. That's some shit right there.
I'll get something out of the shop, man.
Yeah, it's tangled up in there.
Come on, you can do it.
I think I tangled it even fucking more. They said don't fly in the wind.
I told you, man.
Follow instructions. That's actually pretty cool.